Hey, this is the Solitary Chef, and today I'm going to make my favorite superfood protein salad. I have this on a pretty regular basis and it is delicious. And it's made with cavalo nero, which is black cabbage, a form of kale. It's phenomenally good for you. Flat leaf Italian parsley, some beautiful watercress, spring onion, scallion, depending where you're from, stick of celery, some green pepper, a radish, and some sprouts. These are a mix of radish and alfalfa. And for the protein, we're going to be adding in some skipjack tuna, and then one of these Japanese-style tofu fillets. It's about 20 grams of protein in that baby right there. All right, let's get putting this stuff together. All right, we're going to need a really good knife, a mixing bowl to put everything in as we go along. And let's begin. So we're going to take our cavalo nero and we're going to finely chop this down. Let's take our watercress and our parsley, bunch it together. Okay, we're just going to give this a once over. All right, we've got our celery here. We're just gonna half that lengthways and then just slice it. Spring onion, let's just get rid of the bottom and slice. Right, with the green pepper, we're just going to take a side and then just slice it lengthways like so, and then just chop it down. All right, take a radish, just get rid of the ends. All right, that gives it a little bit of color. We're going to take our sprouts, put those in. All right, and that's the vegetable part and the plants and everything else in there, the sprouts. So that's great. Now we're going to take one of these tofu steaks. They've got a little bit of oil on them, so just kind of good to use a unbleached paper towel. All right, and then just cut this lengthways and then just dice it. It all goes in the mixing bowl. All right, now we're going to take some of our tuna. You don't need to have the whole can, you can just do 2/3 of it, it's fine. And let's just mix that up before we dress it. You kind of want to get the sprouts dispersed and everything kind of evenly mixed in, so it looks like there's, you know, bits of the ingredients all over the bowl versus in one place. All right, let's dress. So we're going to be adding in some extra virgin olive oil. I normally free pour, but seeing as I've been on a diet for a while, I'm actually using a tablespoon measure of 15 ml. And we're going to put in initially just 2 tablespoons, usually enough. Bear in mind there's about 100 calories in each tablespoon. So we want to keep this kind of low in terms of calories. Obviously it's a healthy fat, but nonetheless. All right, 3/4 of a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, okay? That's the oils and the acids. And now we're gonna give the pepper mill about 6 twists. Okay, and we've got some sea salt. I'm using Morden flakes here. We're just going to take a little pinch between our thumb and our finger and sprinkle that in 3 times. So 3 pinches, 3 small pinches. Okay. And then we want to just give this a little citrus note as well. Not too much. So about probably 1/5 of a lemon or even a bit less, and just squeeze that in, get all the juice out. Okay. And now we can give this a good mix. And that's the salad made. I can actually eat this whole thing on my own if I'm doing kind of 2 meals a day, but this will serve 2 people and it's incredibly delicious. I hope you enjoy it. Anyway, let's put this into a bowl before I leave, because I'm going to have some now. And look at that. Wow, I don't know if I'm more impressed with the salad or the autofocus capabilities of my camera. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and I look forward to making something again for and with you soon. And I hope you like the recipe, and if you do, please give me a like, and I will be so humbled if you choose to subscribe. Thank you very much. Goodbye.